Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make chili chicken. It is simple, it is easy, and it is quick. So to begin, I have a bowl over here which I have chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh, and I have cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now you can use chicken breast for that, but I prefer to use chicken thigh. Chicken breast will be a little bit too dry as we cook this a little longer. And then we also need corn flour or cornstarch, some plain flour or all-purpose flour. And we're gonna need also 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch for later, with mixed with a little bit of water. We need 1 egg. We need white vinegar, dark soya sauce, chili sauce or chili paste, salt and pepper, and then we also need some sweet red bell pepper, 1 onion, red onion cut into a chunk, some chilies and garlic. So to begin, I'm gonna grate this garlic. You can add garlic paste. I want to add fresh grated garlic to this recipe, about 2 teaspoons, because I have 3 pounds of chicken. If you're doing 1.5 pounds, then 1 teaspoon of garlic will be enough. Add salt, pepper. I'm using Himalaya salt, that's why it is pink, but you can use a regular salt. Add this corn flour and the plain flour, soya sauce. You can use 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce if you don't want to use dark soya sauce. Chili paste, you can add between 1 and 2 tablespoons according to your taste. White vinegar, and also I'm just gonna add this egg and give everything a good mix until combined. And that is looking good. And now my oil is preheating, and now this has to go fry. Okay, I'm just gonna add a piece of chicken and let's see. And the oil is nicely hot over medium high heat, and now I'm gonna fry this in batches. If you add too much chicken at a time, it will release water in your oil. It won't fry. And the chicken gonna take 4 or 5 minutes to fry, and just remove on a plate with paper towel, and I'm gonna keep repeating until I finish all of the chicken. A little bit of oil preheating in a non-stick pan. I'm gonna grate the garlic right to this oil. 3 cloves of garlic, and after 30 seconds I'm gonna add my onion, and now I'm gonna add chopped green onion. You guys know that I use frozen, and I'm using like a whole bunch of green onion. And now you're gonna add that, you're gonna mix everything, and I'm also gonna add the peppers and the chilies. Season a little bit, salt and black pepper, and this is tomato ketchup. Soya sauce, a little bit, not too much, because I'm using dark soya sauce, so I'm not gonna add too much. And I also adding some hot sauce, any hot sauce you like. Okay, you can adjust to your flavor. Mix. And now I'm gonna add this corn flour mixed with water, and at the very last, mix. And now we're gonna add the chicken pieces slowly. And after giving this a good mix, now this is like ready. I'm almost gonna turn off the heat, but I just want to tell you that I have left I saved a little bit of the chicken. I didn't add all of them, just so I can snack on it. The exciting part is that chili chicken is ready. I want to garnish this with a little bit of chopped cilantro. You can also garnish with sesame seeds, but I just want to keep it simple as it is looking so gorgeous, and of course the smell is so good in here. And this can be served with plain white rice, and it is so good. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye.